Hello guys, welcome to brand new videos on our channel. Nowadays, every new entrepreneur wants to invest some money in some online business platform. But it has some challenges. Business expansion is more important for that new entrepreneur, but you must know about it. Do you know what is online investment? Online investing lets you buy and sell investments such as stocks and bonds electronically through a brokerage platform. The process involves choosing a broker, opening an account, funding it, doing investment research, and setting up your business. It's important to educate yourself about investing beforehand and choose a strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. There are some magnificent processes to invest money in online. Let us know it. Educate yourself, understand basic investment concepts, different asset classes, stocks, bonds, ETFs, and investment strategies. Choose an online broker, research and compare different brokers based on fees, commissions, investment products offered, platform usability, and customer service. Open a brokerage account. This can usually be done online and involves providing your personal information and verifying your identity. Depending on your location, you might need a demat account to hold your securities. Research potential investments, analyze stocks, bonds, ETFs, or other investment options based on your goals and risk tolerance. Many brokers offer research tools and educational resources. Place your orders, decide how much to invest and at what price using different order types, market orders, limit orders, stop-loss orders. Monitor your portfolio. Track the performance of your investments and rebalance your portfolio periodically to maintain your desired asset allocation. One thing you must remember is that online investing involves risks. Do your research and invest wisely. Be careful about that investing process and also invest your responsibility. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more, keep in touch with us.